What I find especially interesting about Pelagius is something that Professor Carol Harrison said, and that is that he represented a radically different vision of the human person and salvation to that of the West. So here you have a Christian, albeit one declared a heretic, resident in Rome when he found himself in hot water with St. Augustine, but from Britain in the late 4th to early 5th century. That tells you right away that Christianity's roots in these isles are long and deep, but they also have a particular character. Professor Harrison calls them a radically different vision of the human person and salvation to that of, and I'll fill it in, the rest of the West. Now that's tantalizing. A British Christian with a radically different vision of the human person and salvation. Now, he pushes it too far. He's declared wrong. He's declared heretical. And so he's a hard example to turn to. But happily, we are able to see that, first of all, if Pelagius was prominent enough in the 4th to 5th century and carried with him a certain sort of understanding of the human person and salvation, we must have got that from somewhere, which means as ancient as he is as a figure, he hasn't emerged from the ether. He's carrying on his shoulders some form of tradition, which means the faith has to extend back before the 4th to 5th century.